Welcome to the Physics Sphere, your gateway to the captivating world of physics. We are your premier destination for unlocking the mysteries of the universe and demystifying the laws that govern our reality. At the Physics Sphere, our mission is to make physics accessible, engaging, and understandable for everyone, from curious beginners to seasoned scientists. We believe that physics is not just a subject, but a fundamental part of our everyday lives, and we're here to prove it to you. Batahmao. Our approach is to teach physics through a more transparent assessment process, known as standard-based grading, and build around Bloom's taxonomy. Standard-based grading offers several advantages in the educational context. Firstly, it provides a more comprehensive and transparent assessment of a student's knowledge and skills by breaking down learning objectives into clear standards or criteria. This clarity helps both students and educators understand where strengths and weaknesses lie, facilitating targeted improvement. Additionally, standard-based grading promotes fairness and consistency in grading, as it focuses on whether students have met specific learning goals rather than traditional letter grades, which can be influenced by various factors. Furthermore, it encourages a growth mindset, emphasizing that learning is an ongoing process and students can always strive to meet higher standards. Overall, standard-based grading fosters a more learner-centered and equitable educational environment. Dive into a treasure trove of articles, tutorials, and videos that break down complex physics concepts into bite-sized, comprehensible pieces. Whether you're a student struggling with homework or an enthusiast hungry for knowledge, we have resources tailored to your needs. We believe that anyone can understand physics, and we strive to present it in a way that's approachable and enjoyable. Our content is curated by a team of experts with a passion for physics, ensuring accuracy and clarity in every resource we provide. Physics is fascinating, and we're here to share that fascination with you through interactive content.